Hello everyone, welcome back to the another awesome Firebase tutorial. Today we are going to learn a FlutterFire CLI. Instead of using manual method to set up your Flutter project with Firebase in a different platform, CLI provide easiest way to set up your Flutter project with Firebase at once within just 2-3 command. For Firebase CLI, you just need to do two things. That is, first, FlutterFire CLI depend on the underlying Firebase CLI. If you haven't already done it, make sure you have the Firebase CLI installed on your machine. And if not, make sure you have a Node.js on your machine. Simply, if you want to use the Firebase CLI to set up your Flutter project for Android, web, iOS, Windows, Mac at once, you need to do two things. That is, you need to install the npm in your system. You can search how to install npm in Windows, Linux, Mac. This is the easiest process. This is just a 2-3 command. If you enter 2-3 command, you have easily installed the npm in your system, or it provide here the command. This is the command. And next, an important thing is, next install the FlutterFire CLI by running following command. If you hit this command, FlutterFire CLI is installed in your system. If you have do it at once, you didn't need to be installed every time. Okay, and use case and next things, and you can also hit this command. This is the documentation. It has mentioned each and every steps in easiest way. Before you have create a project, you need to do two things. First thing is you need to install the npm in your system, and second thing that you need to do is install the FlutterFire CLI in your system. If you have installed these two, then what does you need to do is here, come to here version to view the current version of, to check in your system Firebase CLI is installed or not. To check this command, let's copy this command. I have installed FlutterFire CLI in many times. That's why I'm not doing this. Go there and let's open the terminal and let's hit this command, and you can see 1.0.1 version is available in my system. I have used FlutterFire CLI many times. That's why I'm not install it in every time. I have just check it. After this all, you are ready to use the FlutterFire CLI in your system. We are going to do it from zero level. First, I have create the brand new Flutter project. Flutter create. I'll give the name of my Flutter project, which is EG Flutter CLI. Okay. And I'll just hit it, and your brand new Flutter project is ready. You can use the new project as well, or you can use your existing project. If you want to connect in your existing project, you can do it. But why I'm creating a new project, I will show you from the scratch, from the zero level. First, I have created the brand new Flutter project, and I'll open this project in my VS Code, which is, this is EG Flutter CLI. First, we have run this project, okay, and after that we have start to connect our Flutter project with Firebase. Let's run it. During this time, we have also create the Firebase project as well. First, go to the console.firebase.google.com, and second thing that you need to do is every time you need to log in. If you have used from after long time, after you have successfully logged in, you can see this is my account. I'm going to create a new Firebase project. I'll give the name to Flutter EG CLI, and I'll just continue it. And I don't need Gemini here, and I didn't need a Google Analytics as well. Just I'll disable it and create a project here. We are creating a Firebase project here in Firebase, and we are running our Flutter project here. Just check it if everything is okay or not. See, everything is perfect. Our app is working perfectly, and our app is run without any error. After that, next thing that we have need to do is, our Firebase project is ready here. Just continue it. Firebase especially provide for Flutter, except Flutter, then you can need to do it by manually. For Flutter especially, Firebase provide easiest way. You can see here Flutter option, only a Flutter option. Just click this Flutter option and add Firebase to your Flutter app. The easiest way to get you start is to use the FlutterFire CLI and install the Firebase CLI that I have already mentioned you. This is and run Firebase login. If you have used this Firebase CLI method at first, you just copy this command from here, Firebase login, and just hit it on the terminal. Just hit it. I have already logged in, but I'll show you. Here you can see already logged in. If you have not logged in, then it's open the dialog box, and just by select your mail account, you can easily log in safely. You didn't need to do anything. And second, install the Flutter SDK that already in our system. Create a Flutter project to run Flutter create that we have just done. First step is successfully done. That is install the Firebase CLI. Only things and log in Firebase. Next, click on next. By using these two commands, we have easily connect our Flutter project in our every platform. From any directory, run this command. You can run this command in your any directory in your terminal, but we have done it in our project directory. Just copy it and just paste it here and hit the enter. And package FlutterFire CLI is currently active at version 1.0.1 and install executable Flutter Firebase activate. Here you can see Firebase is already activated after you have hit this command, and if you have installed Firebase CLI long time before, then it's activate for you. Next things, then at the root of your Flutter project directory, run this command. This is the important command and only one command that you have need to do is create the Firebase option.dat file contain the everything that you have need to. Just copy this command from here and just paste it here and hit the enter. That's it. This is after doing this, it's automatically connect in your Flutter project. Here you can see, just first read it, found 24 Firebase project, select project. It already detects this. And next thing that I have mentioned for you is sometime it didn't detect this project. If it didn't detect your project, then it asks your project name. From where you have got the project name, go to the Android app level build.gradle. Here is your project name. It asks if it not detect your project automatically, then it asks your project name. Just copy this from here. Next thing that we have require is we need to select on which platform we have required the Firebase. Which platform should you configuration support. Use a arrow key or space to select. I have do it in every platform, but if you didn't require it on any of this platform, you can unselect it by using the space key. That's it. You can see web is unselected, but I have do it in each and every platform. And if you require it in every platform, then didn't do it anything. So just hit the enter. Now it will create the everything that we have required in each of the platform. Register a new Firebase Android app on Firebase project. First it will be register on Android, iOS and remaining all. Let's see and wait until it takes some time. Okay, it is already completed on Android, iOS, macOS, web, and last it has done on the Windows. You can see we have successfully set up our Flutter project with Firebase in every platform. It has generated a Firebase option.dat file generated successfully with the Firebase app ID. Next thing that we need to do is just next from here in Firebase CLI. This is the only 2-3 line that we need to do manually. Is copy it from here, and before you have paste it, we have required a Firebase core. Everyone knows that. For that you need to add the Firebase core in your system. You can add it by different way. I have do it using the Command Shift P in my Mac device. If you are on Windows, then Control Shift plus P, and here is the add dependency. You have not used this before, then you need to search it and just add dependency, and we have required a Firebase core package. Yeah, Firebase core is successfully added in our system, and just close this terminal, and here we need to make it async. And next things that we have required is just copy this all from here and just paste it below this. We have import it manually and import the Firebase core here and Firebase option here. It will already detect default Firebase option.current platform. If you are on Android, it will be detect on Android. If you is in the iOS, it will be detect on iOS. And next things that we have required, we need to initialize it. For that, widget flutter binding.ensure initialize, widget flutter binding.ensure initialize. Before run the app, we have first see the Firebase option file here. This is the Firebase option that we have automatically generated by using the CLI. The file generated by FlutterFire CLI, it generates all the required things for Android, iOS and web. You can see we didn't need to do anything. That's why I'm not focusing on it. After you have do it all, let's terminate the app first. We have run it again to show we have successfully do it or not. First we have run it on iOS, then we have do it on Android. Before you have run your app on simulator, First, for iOS only, first go to the iOS. On the port file section, here is the platform iOS. You need to uncomment it and just increase this version 12 to 13. Firebase code require at least iOS 13 and just uncomment it and just increase 12 from the 13 and close this and run the app. That's it for iOS. Let's see if we have faced any error or not. If we have faced any error, then we have solved it. We have wait until it. I have shown you the agent every step in really. See, I have didn't do anything. We have successfully run it on the iOS without facing any error. You can see, I'll just check it here. Our app is perfectly working. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Firebase on iOS. Next, I'll terminate this iOS simulator and open the Android emulator, and I'll show you it is working on Android platform or not. I'll close this simulator and I'll open the emulator here. It takes some time. As compared to simulator, to run the Firebase project in Android emulator, it takes some time for the first time. Wait until it. I'll show you the every process without skipping anything. Okay, let's run it on the Android. Run, start debugging. To use the manual process, it show the different error. Everyone messaged me, we have faced the different type of error during connect Flutter project with Firebase. If you are facing this error, then use the FlutterFire CLI. It is the safest method and easy to set up. It takes less time, just 2-3 command. If you have first installed the CLI and npm, then for the next time you didn't do anything, you can see I have just set up in all platform by hitting just 2-3 command. You need to grow up by the time of AI. Skip this all manual method and use the CLI. CLI is the best way, easiest way, and Firebase especially provide us for Flutter, and use it, take advantage of it. It takes some time. During this time, we have goes to the Firebase and we have continue to console here, and if you see your project, just reload from here. And you can see the 3 platform. It will be Flutter Easy CLI. This is our project and it will be set up on this project has Android, iOS and web. We have successfully set up it on Android, iOS and web. You can see, congratulations man, you have successfully set up on Android without facing any error. You can see I have show you my debug console in real time. This is my time. You can see it. I'm not skip anything. I have show you from the scratch. The Android app is also working perfectly. This is my default Flutter app. By this way, you can use FlutterFire CLI in your project. If you have faced any problem, then comment down it below, or you can join my Discord server. Pin the Discord server link is in the comment, and you can find it in my YouTube bio as well. Okay, we have successfully set up on Android and iOS. It will be work on the web as well. I am not tested. Okay, bye bye. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you in the next video.